Hey y'all, this is Rhonda from Rhonda's Country Kitchen, and if you are looking for an easy recipe for dinner tonight, you just get on in here. I'm going to show you how to make some stuffed bell pepper. Now I'm taking a few shortcuts because I am a working woman and I understand, hey, you got to get in there, you got to get dinner going quick. The kids is hungry and crying and fussing and carrying on, and you don't have much time. So I'm just going to give you a little shortcut. Now I will tell you how to do this without getting you some Spanish rice, but my shortcut is going to be just some Spanish rice. Now I just went to Aldi and I got a $1.09 bag of this Spanish rice. You can get this Spanish rice though. Actually, you can get it already made into like Zap packets that you can put in the microwave, or Rice-A-Roni, or just about any name brand. But I'm using the Aldi Earthly Grains Spanish rice, and it's seasoned so good with that sweet tomato sauce and all that goodness in it already. So now it took a whole 7 minutes to cook that. Like I said, you can zap it or you can just cook you some rice and mix your tomato sauce in it and season it up with your Italian season, however you want to do it. But my shortcut is to use that Spanish rice, and like I said, it gives it such good flavor. Now I have got my little bell peppers here. I've already cleaned all of them, but this last one I'm just going to show you. I just cut the top off of it, and of course you want to get all that goodness out of the middle. Just pull that seed out of there. Now I take a spoon and just kind of run my spoon through it. Get all that membrane, that old spongy mess, whatever you want to call it. I just clean it out, give it a little tap, get all them seeds out, and it's ready to go. Really quick. And another little tip, if you got an old wonky bell pepper, because I'm telling you, they're getting harder and harder to find some good bell pepper. Like if you got one that's kind of sitting like this, all jacked up, you can put the top, kind of position it so that it's sitting right, because I had one, this little fella, he wasn't sitting right, he wasn't being right, he was ugly. So I've got him propped up, and he's doing right now. He's getting her done. So you can save the little tops because you can season with that. You can do whatever. You can even save the seeds and plant you some more, and just have a good old time with these bell pepper. But I have got my good old pan over here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that on. Now I have my oven set at 350, so it's ready to go. Now I'm gonna go ahead and season my hamburger meat, because all this is, y'all, is some seasoned hamburger meat with some onion and garlic, and that seasoned rice, some cheese, and of course the bell pepper. And I'm telling you, if you are a prepper and you like to prep ahead of time, these are great. You can freeze them, pull them out, and have your supper ready to go, or put them in the refrigerator the night before. It's really easy to do. So I'm going to start seasoning my hamburger meat. I'm going to go in there with some salt, and you just salt it like you want it. I'm not going to tell you how much salt. You just let the Lord lead you on that one. And I'm going to, of course, go in with some black pepper. We love us some black pepper, and some garlic powder and onion powder. And I know that is my go-to. I'm telling you guys that it's just so good together. And now I could spice this up with jalapenos and all kind of good stuff, and it is delicious. I like it that way, but I try to keep it simple because I've had people say, well, I really don't like all that nonsense in my stuff. Just keep it simple. If you want something, you can add it to it. But I put a little accent, and now I'm gonna put about a tablespoon of some Italian seasoning in this little booger here. So we'll just mix this up, and I'm going to get my pan ready over there, And first though, I'm going to start cooking my onions down. But got this mixed up, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do over there. All right, I think these onions are cooked down enough. I'm gonna go ahead and put my hamburger meat in here. Get that old bowl out of the way. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of water just to start breaking this hamburger meat down. I know everybody talks about the little meat thingy, and I have one sitting right over there, and y'all see I'm still using this fork. Just gonna get this worked in here. Get it going. This is really a really quick dinner idea. We also did this, turn my heat up just a little bit. I also did this on keto with some, instead of some rice, of course you can't have that on low carb, I'd used some cauliflower rice, and it turned out really good considering it's cauliflower rice and it's low carb, but we really enjoyed it. It was something different. I felt like you was eating something normal. Of course, we didn't have all these onions. We did it as low carb as we possibly could. You gotta have a little onion still for that flavor, but I'm thinking seriously about doing some of those recipes first of the year. So that'll be good. All right, I'm just gonna cook this hamburger. Get this mixed up real good before I add some rice in there. All right, this hamburger and onion is good to go. Now I'm gonna start putting my little Spanish rice. Y'all, this is like I said, it's the quick little shortcut that I'm willing to do. I don't know about y'all, but I don't mind a good shortcut. So, just going to put this in here. First, let me turn my heat down. Now, this made about 3 cups of this Spanish rice. I'm going to start mixing it together. Don't want it to be a big old blob. I'm, of course, eyeballing this, so just gonna go on in with all that. Otherwise, we're gonna have a lot of hamburger meat. That mixed in real good. Me working with my little fork. And like I told you before, you can just use some white rice and your tomato sauce or tomato, some seasoned tomatoes, however you want to do it. It's your pepper, you just stuff it the way you want to. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and turn that heat off. Now, I've got me some Colby Jack cheese. I know most people use the mozzarella on this, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put about half of it in here. We're gonna have some cheesy goodness, and then I'm gonna use the other half. Now, this is an 8-ounce block that I just shredded. And then we're gonna use the rest of that cheese to top them peppers, but it's gonna be good and cheesy inside and cheesy on top. Can't go wrong with some good old cheese. Look at that, yummy. All right. Good, good, good. Now you could add some salsa in here. You could do just about anything. Now I'm just gonna move this over here and we're gonna start stuffing them peppers, getting ready for the oven. All right, y'all, got my hamburger meat ready. I've got my cheese and I've got my peppers just ready to go. Now, this is a step you can do or you don't have to do. It's completely up to you. But I am going to just pour some marinara sauce on the bottom here. Let me get me a plate. Give me a little plate here. Set these on. And we'll just pour that little sauce on the bottom there. Now you don't have to have the sauce. You can certainly do it without the sauce. And but anyway, we're gonna just put a little bit down there. And this is just regular, just whatever your favorite marinara sauce is. Just gonna coat the bottom. And I'm gonna stick these little peppers. First I'll just stuff them and then put them in there. But it's super easy, y'all. This one is good, easy, and your family should love it if they like some bell pepper. Look at that yummy goodness. Just go plop him right down in that little marinara sauce. Let him get all happy. And I'm sure I'll have some of this left over. I have such a hard time, y'all, with having kids, always cooking for a crowd. I have a hard time with cutting things down just a little bit, so it's pretty difficult for me. But it won't go to waste. I can certainly do something else with this. That is for sure. Stuff this little fella. And I tell you, it is hard to find the same size peppers like this one. He's a little short little fella, but we still gonna eat him and enjoy him anyway. But you like to get the same size so they cook even and all that good stuff, but you just get what you get sometimes and just be thankful for it and go on. Call it a day. Like I told y'all, I do have my oven set at 350. Now I think I'm gonna let these cook for just a little while. I'm gonna cook them for about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes before I top these with cheese. I want that pepper to get softened pretty good. And now you can do this different ways too. Some people drop the bell pepper down into boiling water a few minutes before doing all this, but you don't have to. Obviously, you don't have to. Some people might roast them first, but it's been really good just this way, because you don't want them to get too soft for sure. But anyway, alrighty. Now I got my little bottom here for this little fella because he's the one that wasn't acting right. So we are got those ready to go. Go in the oven. Look how pretty, y'all. All right, I'm gonna put them in the oven and cook them for about 10-15 minutes. I'll let you know. And then I will take them out, top them with cheese, and let them cook for about 10 more minutes. Alrighty, I just got these little peppers out of the oven. They did cook about 25 minutes, and I got it ready to go. Y'all see this? Russ is gonna come give us a little taste. Come on, Russell. And give his little opinion.
Hey, YouTube.
Hey, everybody.
Hey, everybody.
All righty.
Man.
Man,
cooking.
yes. They are good. They are good.
So what we got in them?
We got some stuffed bell pepper. We've got some hamburger and some Spanish rice. Ooh, and some cheese. Very simple. Just very easy to do and to put together. Yes.
Like simple.
Simple is good.
All right, y'all. I'm gonna try to not make a mess with this one.
Oh, just dig in there. It'll be all right. We'll be just fine.
Well,
I know it's kind of awkward.
It's kind of hard to get to.
Yep.
But I've got some of that rice and some of that.
Got a little bit of everything on that fork.
Here we go, y'all.
Oh. Jumping ship.
It's perfect.
Oh, perfect. I'll take perfect.
Tender. The pepper got just a little bit of crunch.
Yeah. You don't want it soggy. You don't.
No, you don't want it. It's perfectly
Good, good.
It's tender, but it's got that little bit of crunch that you like.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Hamburger makes flavor absolutely delicious.
Yeah, that Spanish rice.
The rice is good with it.
It's
Pairs good together. The cheese. Y'all.
Yeah.
She got another hit.
Oh, no.
Yeah. I'm giving her 2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs, Lord Jesus, 2 thumbs.
I wish I hadn't made a mess trying to get to it, but I'm going to make a bigger mess eating the rest of it, y'all.
Yep.
So that would be some internet comedy.
Maybe we should keep it rolling.
No.
While you eating.
No, I'm just a taste tester.
Yeah, it's just a... Oh, Lord.
Anyway, yeah, it's delicious. Yeah, I don't know what else to say about it, to be honest. This pairs very well together. Everything goes very good.
It's good.
The cheese is good with it.
Yep. Y'all don't mind that little shortcut with that rice. I have actually even used the little bag that you just zap in the microwave, the Spanish rice, and it's just as good. But it's got so much flavor in that rice. But you can make your own and do that. But this is just really quick and really easy, and it is good. It's good.
Definitely good.
And you can prep it.
That.
Yes, you can prep it ahead of time. You can freeze them. So I have a lot of the little filling left over, so I'll do something good with that. We'll have some kind of something with it. But anyway, it won't go to waste. But anyway.
Yeah, thank y'all.
Thank y'all so much for watching.
Yeah, and if you give the recipe a try, make sure you let her know.
Yeah, let us know in the comments what you think about it.
She enjoyed so much reading people trying her Thanksgiving recipes.
Did.
She enjoyed it. She, you know.
I had a lot of people say, "Oh, I tried this and I tried that," and it just warms my heart, y'all.
It does. It really makes her feel really good.
Yeah, it does.
We're gonna keep bringing them to y'all. Hope you enjoy them. And,
keep at it. I told them we did this the keto style.
Oh yeah.
With some.
Hopefully, you know. I'm gonna try to do better the first of the year. I've made a promise to myself that I'm gonna try to, you know, make some changes, some lifestyle type.
Oh Lord, he's putting it out there, so you have to.
Once you put it out there on the internet, you kind of let people know. You know, this time of year with the
everybody starts new.
That's why all that. You know, January 1, you start seeing the Weight Watchers and Planet Fitness and all that stuff. You know, that's why. You know. Hope springs eternal when the New Year's.
That's right. But anyway, we thank y'all so much.
Thank y'all for watching.
Yes.
And give it a try.
Give it a try. Give it a whirl. Yes.
Or if you tried a different way, you know, if you try something different, you know, it's always nice to see people try different stuff or learn about different stuff from different places. I mean, it's, you know. I
never mind saying, oh, I add this into mine because honey, I do it next time. I ain't listen.
She sure will. She'll try different recipes.
I sure will. It don't hurt my feelings a bit.
Yep.
No. Anyway, we thank y'all for watching. Thank you so much. Till next time.
Peace.